Hello everyone, I'm here outdoors with my wife. We're doing some walking today. We're kind of inactive with walking and jogging, so we came out to this beautiful nature. And look at this beautiful palm tree behind us. It's just really beautiful. Look at these trees. Look at these huge palm trees. I think in Florida, if I'm not wrong, they were selling these between $20,000 to $30,000, a full-grown one. It was like pineapple plants. Maybe it's the same family, but this doesn't bring pineapples. Look to the other side. Look at those leaves. Look at those leaves over there on the other side. So out in nature, look at these plants as well. I don't know what they call, but they're beautiful. So many of them. Look at these people. Guys, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Even if you have your own land, you can use it as a privacy fence. Look at the banana trees over here. Look at those green bananas. They're going to be ready to harvest pretty soon. Can you see them? See, beautiful trees, beautiful nature. So as you know, the Philippines are tropical climate.